future generations in mind. So he said the Filipinos at the time were not ready yet to read his book. And I could understand because when I was in high school, it was a torture to read Noli Me Tangere. So imagine this was just published 2 weeks after. So it could be the artist's imagination. But for me, this is really what Rizal wanted. Who is mestiza, but wanted to be identified as a Filipina. So that's the inversion. This one, I have created here because of the subtle details. And it aligned with messages of resistance. It turns out that Doña Victorina actually corresponds to the Victorian era in the UK. And at the time, there was an avian crisis. They were hunting birds to extinction for fashion and for beddings. Goose down pillows, you know? And, right? It's a frock coat. Meaning it's a frock coat, but of course there's pants, right? And it's a dress. It's a men's attire. It's a full costume. That's why it simply said full dress with the tapis. So it's but here it just shows luxury. When she gets sick, she's still covered in pinya, right? So in a way, Rizal was it's a parody of the lifestyle of the elite.
To her last day, she died in 1945, was still selling sinamay. And I would often think, why are they selling sinamay? I mean, were they hard up when the Dominicans threw them out of their hacienda?